Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So after a long time, I came back with a new HyperOS 2.0 ROM, and this ROM is on top of Android 15, and I am using this ROM at least 10 days, and so far I get a good performance, and this ROM is just change your phone in one click. So in this video, I am going to talk about this ROM features and the installation process. So let's start the video. So first of all, if I go to settings, I can see Xiaomi's brand new HyperOS 2.0 settings panel, and if I go to the my device, I can see this ROM is on top of Android 15, and this ROM has all brand new HyperOS 2.0 features are available. When you boot up this ROM, you will get only some apps, and this ROM has no issues on there. And I can see you can see the Xiaomi's brand new Hyper AI, and all the AI features are working perfectly, so there has no issues on there. And this ROM is also support the circle to search option. I can see the Xiaomi's brand new Hyper AI option. If I just it, and I can see the new cool animation. I can see a new good animation coming there, and you can easily use the circle to search option. Just circle here, and you can easily use. And if you tap and hold the gestures, you can see a new pop-up window will come. Now you can just click circle, and you can easily circle to search anything as you want. You can see the new pop-up window will come, and it will shows. Okay, so circle to search option is also working perfectly on this ROM. There is no issues on this ROM. And if I talk about this ROM's control center, I can see this ROM has brand new Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0 control center, and the control center is working perfectly on this ROM. I can see the cool animation on there, and this ROM has all the features. Now I am talking about this ROM gallery features. If I go to the gallery, I can see the Xiaomi's brand new HyperOS 2.0 AI based gallery are working also there, and this ROM has lots of customization. You can easily customize anything, and the picture quality of this ROM is good. I also check out. You can see the check out the night camera. Simple. The night camera was also working perfectly, and there has more features. On edit option, you can easily use any kind of. I can see the AI option, basic and create. You can easily using this. You can get a good output. Okay, and the camera quality was decent, and all the functions are working perfectly on this time. I can see the Xiaomi's brand new Leica camera also working. If I show you the front camera, you can see the Xiaomi's new CV flash and CV film are also there, and this camera functions are working properly. In video quality, here you can see you can create a video up to 4K 30 fps, and all the functions are working properly. So in camera function, I think you guys will satisfied with the brand new camera. And this have also the Xiaomi's apps opening closing animation. You can see the apps opening closing animation. If you put the default icon, you will get the apps opening closing animation. And then I can see the new Xiaomi's brand new control center widgets, wallpaper settings are all working there. And in widgets option, you will get the latest widgets. In the wallpaper section, you will get also the super wallpaper. I can see, and you can easily use this super wallpaper. And this super wallpaper was also updated. You can see the two new super wallpaper, and the super wallpaper are also working perfectly, so there is no issues on there. And this ROM has brand new Xiaomi's lock screen customization. If I go to the lock screen, just tap and hold, and you can see Xiaomi's brand new HyperOS 2.0 control center, and the control center also working perfectly. The depth option and the latest all the functions are also perfectly working, so there is no issues on lock screen. If I go to the theme store, I can see the it has the Xiaomi's Chinese theme store, but this theme store you will get the latest theme, because this ROM is the base ROM is Redmi K70 Ultra, so you can easily get many kind of K70 Ultra gaming wallpaper, and the gaming performance of this ROM is just change. Okay, and if I go to the gaming, I can see there has new Xiaomi's brand new HyperOS 2.0 game mode option, and This ROM has also the brand new voice changer option, screen recorder, and all the things are perfectly working. And in gaming performance is good. In when I play games on this ROM, I will not get any kind of heating issue, which is very good, and I get a good battery life on this ROM. But this ROM's battery backup is not up to the mark, but you can easily use a day with this battery. And this ROMs, you will get the Xiaomi's brand new media layer and MIUI, so there is no issues on there. And media layer are also working perfectly, and MIUI was also working. And you also get the Play Store option also there, and Play Store is also working perfectly. Just go to the apps option and just enable the Google Play. After that, you will just need to update your Google Play from Get Apps. Then you can easily use any kind of Google Play service apps, and they are also working, so there is no issues on this ROM. And this is the good ROM for Redmi Note 10s phone. And at the last, who will use this ROM? Those who guys need a good camera and good battery life, and a feature pack ROM with Android 15. And also this ROM has brand new Xiaomi's HyperAI, so you can easily use this Xiaomi's brand new HyperAI, and these AI functions are also working. So this is the more feature pack ROM, so you can easily use. And this ROM has no lag issues. I do not face any kind of lag, so you can easily use this ROM as your daily driver. And uh, this ROM's picture quality and the functions are also good. Some has brand new personalization option. You can easily personalize anything from there. And the personalization option, AOD section, you will get the all kind of AOD, and you will get the Chinese AOD functions are also working, so there is no issues on this one. You can see you can easily use this. Okay, so all the functions are also working, so you can easily use this. And now, how to install this ROM? To install this ROM, you need to just unlock your phone bootloader. After that, you need a PC or laptop, and you need to remove your all fingerprint and password options. Okay, after that, you must remove the me account from your phone. Then the other process I will show in my laptop. But if you using a custom recovery, you guys can easily using this ROM by custom through the custom recovery. This ROM has two files. One is recovery file, and and one is fastboot file. So I recommended you guys to use fastboot file, but you can easily use the recovery file. I also provide all the link in my description box. So begin to the laptop. So after coming up to the laptop, you need to download this ROM file. I will provide this ROM file in my description box. Just download this ROM file and extract this. Okay, after extracting this file, you need to download this Mi Flash tool. I will provide the Mi Flash tool link in my description box. Just unzip this and install all the drivers, and double tap it and click yes, and a new pop window will come. Now you need to click the drivers and install all the drivers from here. Okay, after installing all the drivers, you need to download this ADB setup file. Just double tap it and press yes, type Y and hit enter, type Y and hit enter, and you will automatically download this ADB setup. Now you need to boot your phone into the fast boot mode. To doing it, press your volume down and power button at the same time of your phone, and your phone will automatically boot into the fast boot mode. After that, you connect your phone with your laptop or PC. Now you need to go to the ROM file. Now you need to just click to underscore flash. Just double tap it. A new pop window will come. Now you need to just type Y and hit enter, and this ROM will the installation process are starting, so it's take a few moment, so wait some moment. So here you can see guys, the ROM is fully completed flashed on my phone and my logo came appear on my phone. Now you need to just type any key from your laptop and this window will automatically close. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys don't understand something, message me on Telegram. I will try to help you, and I will request you guys to subscribe my channel and hit the like button and stay with us to get the new HyperOS 2.0 or latest build for Redmi Note 10 phone. So thanks for watching this video.